Hello Sunil.
Good morning, sister.
Good morning. Today you will be discharged to go home and your discharge summary will be ready within 30 minutes. After that we will discuss with you about your pain management at home.
Sunil, you were receiving morphine while in the hospital and you need to continue this morphine at home also, and I would like to make sure that you understood everything about the morphine, its doses and its timing. So if you want to make some notes, you can write it down. Otherwise also we'll be giving you everything in writing and you need to follow that. Do you have any questions?
We have heard morphine can cause addiction. Is it true?
There are some myths and ideas about using morphine. We would like to clarify with you. There is a difference between addiction and dependence. Physical symptoms will occur if treatment is stopped suddenly, and this is expected.
Okay.
Addiction is a chronic disease and it can cause if when patient stops taking medicine. Patient may have poor control over drug usage. But you don't worry, Sunil, because we are giving this medication for your care and comfort, and it is not only used for terminally ill patients.
And it will not cause addiction.
Ma'am, actually taking morphine cause difficulty in breathing, and I have noticed so many patients who has taken morphine, they have excessive sleep.
If you are taking the medicine as prescribed to you, it will not cause problem. So you don't worry. First 2-3 days it may cause little drowsiness, but as you were already on morphine, we have observed you, and I don't think now you will have any such problem. And if you are getting up in between for eating, drinking and using washroom, I don't think there will be any problem for you and there will be no difficulty. If you have some, there are our numbers, you can anytime ask to us.
Okay, sister. Do we take morphine if there is severe pain or otherwise we also have to give?
No, it doesn't work like that. We have calculated your dose of morphine according to your pain assessment. So if you observe the patient will still have pain after taking your morphine dose, then you can call us or you can contact us anytime. We can revise it accordingly.
Ma'am, morphine having so many side effects.
There are some side effects like constipation. But for constipation, we will prescribe some laxatives for the patient. It can be continued with the morphine, so it will relieve your problem. Otherwise, you can take green leafy vegetables and drink lots of water. It will relieve you from the problem of constipation. And if constipation are still there, you need to continue with the laxatives. And if there is some problem which is not resolved, you can contact us. We can do whatever necessary for you.
Is there any other side effects except these?
Also, you may experience nausea and vomiting with this morphine. So we can give some antiemetic medications with your prescription. You can take it as advised. Some patient very occasionally will have some skin rashes also with this medication. So if Sunil, you will have this type of problem, you can contact your palliative care physician.
Ma'am, taking morphine is end of life.
Sunil, this is not like that. Morphine is not the drug which is causing such thing. Morphine is used for pain management, and it can be given for a moderate pain to a severe pain also. So I don't think you should have this idea in your mind. It is not like that, and it will not hasten death. So you will not be having any problem. And if you have any queries, you can anytime call to us, or you can call sister or doctor, and you have a palliative care physician number. You will have all these numbers on your discharge summary. So you can solve your problem by talking with them, and they can also advise whatever needed for you. So this is your discharge summary.
Thank you, sister.
And I think if anything is required, you just inform us, okay?
Thank you, sister.
अच्छे से समझ लिया ना तूने?
हाँ, समझ लिया. दवाइयों के टाइम भी हैं 10-4 घंटे में।
हाँ।
पर रात को सोने के बाद भी तुम्हें दवाइयाँ देनी है क्या? फिर उठा के देनी होगी क्या रात की
नहीं,
दवाई?
उठा के नहीं देना, सोने से पहले है ना डबल डोज देना है, ये सिस्टर पहले बता के गई थी।
अच्छा, तुम्हें पता है पहले से?
हाँ।
ठीक है, फिर तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं। ठीक है, मैं सामान इकट्ठा कर लेती हूँ, फिर घर चलने के लिए तैयारी करते हैं।
ठीक है।